everyone, it's Bree. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the SpiegelMom Scraps design team, and I am going to be working with the sequin mix right here on my desk. It is called Lost in the Pages, and it is super pretty. It's got a bunch of yellows and greens and some teals and also some pinks in there. And of course, I'm going to make a shaker. Now, I received these Simple Stories chipboard frames in my February 2021 Hip Kit Club kits, and I haven't had a chance to use them yet. And of course, like I've said before in a few of my videos up on my channel, I kind of struggle with chipboard frames. So whenever I do get them, I love to turn them into shakers. And so I thought for sure I had to turn this specific frame into a shaker. So I'm going to turn one of the sides into a shaker, and then I'm going to layer up my photo on the other side. So I already glued on a piece of acetate, and then I'm going to go around around the perimeter of the frame with some of the foam tape that you can find in the SpiegelMom Scraps shop. Now, if you are having trouble lifting off the release paper, what I do is I make sure that the foam is completely pressed down. Like, I'll run my finger on it a couple times, and then I'll use my fingernail to help lift it up if I just recently cut my nails or if I'm struggling with it a little bit, because it is really super sticky and it definitely will last like a long time. Like, this is like legit foam tape and will not come apart. Just use the end of like your scissors or like maybe like a blade to help lift up that corner. All right, so I added the sequins in, and then I sealed my shaker with a piece of vellum, and there you can see it shakes beautifully. So I filled it enough so when it does sit, not all the sequins falls down to the bottom. A lot of it is still visible, and it is super pretty. So I did choose to use the Simple Stories Hello Today chipboard frames, as well as some of the components to the kit, as well as a few bits from the Pink Fresh Studio Some Days collection. Now, all of these came in my kit, but it matched the sequin mix so well, and that's why I wanted to add all of these embellishments on. So my title is Start Each Day with a Grateful Heart, and that was from one of the Pocket Life kit cards. I think I said that right, sorry. And so I just fussy cut it out and layered that up on some foam, and then put some of the label stickers underneath it that was from the Some Days collection. So I'm just adding a few floral pieces. I've got another label at the right, top right, and I'm going to be adding some pieces up there as well. I do add this little floral piece, and I pop that up on some of that foam tape. I did layer up some pattern papers from the kit underneath my photo, and then to make sure that everything was even, I did add a few pieces of the foam tape underneath my photo. That way it didn't dip in, and it was fully supported. So all I'm doing here is just embellishing with these chipboard stickers. I am going to add some puffy stickers. I'm going to add some of the enamel dots. Like, this process went super quick. And I know that somebody had asked me in one of my previous videos what kind of acetate I use. It's honestly just a box of acetate, like the transparencies that teachers used to use back in like grade school or high school. I'm totally dating myself, but that's all it is. They're just simple acetate sheets, and I found them, I think, at Savers when we lived in Hawaii. So like, I have a pack of 100, and I have made so many shakers, and I still have so many left. So yeah, I don't know if they still sell acetate like this. So I have no idea. I just have had this in my stash for several years now. All right, so as you can see, real quick, I'll mention I got this new mixed media mat, and this was later that evening, so I didn't have the sunlight and it wasn't as bright, but yeah, this mat is amazing and I love it so much, and so I'm really excited about it. And that's why I chose to swap it out mid video, because I couldn't wait to add it. So you can see that there's a little change to my background. All right, so yeah, just finishing up, adding some of the smaller details. I do add some black shimmers paints in Night Moves. I do add splatters off camera, so you can see that, or those splatters at the end of my video on my full layout. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. I don't know why. But yeah, there's really not much else to this process. I'm just going to finish it off with enamel dots, and then My discount code will be here up in just a second. So yeah, it's Brianna15, and that'll save you 15% off in the shop. You can use it on sequins, you can use it on the foam tape. I hope I've inspired you in some way. If you've got some chipboard frames or any kind of frame that you don't really know how to use it on your next layout or project, try making it into a shaker. It's super simple and super easy. And thanks so much. Thanks so much for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.